So when I'm using a scalpel knife, I actually try my best to, with good housekeeping, on making sure that the blades are kept in a position where I'm not going to cut myself, that the sharpness is downwards, out the way from being, you know, brushed over so you cut yourself with, and they're ready to pick up quite easily, because the last thing you want to do is fanny around, because even here it's an effort to pick up the knife. So I bought this, and I know it is for using paintbrushes for when you're painting. I know that's what it's for, but it also makes for a very, very good holder for your knife. It is a good little tool, and if you haven't got one of these, you can also use blue tack or white tack, pink tack, red tack, whatever colour tack you want. Cut a piece off, fold it over like so, and then place it on your workbench. White tack or blue tack is your friend, because if you've got nothing to keep them upright with, that is perfect. It really is. It's so simple, and I do it regularly. I do change the blue tack, and also it's just there for when I need to use blue tack. But yeah, that's really what I use the blue tack for, is just put the blade down and it's stuck there. Get this blade straight down, keeps it upright, you can pick it up, no problem. None of this fanning around trying to get it up. It's there, bang, job's a good one. Also, if you wanted to, you could take the blue tack and put it in the tray here. So lift them up over there, take the blue tack onto there, and there you've got a two position in there of keeping the blade safe, ready to use.